Hello guys again, my name is Andrew of course, and today we've got another unboxing, viewing and testing of this Parkside Auto Load utility knife, integrated blade cartridge for automatic blade replacement. 6 blades, 1 to position, 1 to 6, easy to change blade holder replacement, blade holder sold separately. That's nice. We can see from the other side some pictures. Now let's open to see what we have inside. Well, the blades. Just be careful, this is a knife that you can cut yourself. Well, let's see. That's the mechanism. Here you can put the blades. And you can lock it again. And there you are. That's the first blade that it can come out. The first one, it will be a little hard, but it goes out very easy. Nice. And you can take that out. When you want to throw it in the garbage, just push this button and it will go all the way out. And just like that, you can push again the button and the new blade is coming out. And again, if you're going to push that, it will release, go inside, and the blade is coming out very easy. And of course, if you want to insert this blade again inside, you can take out the cartridge. And you can see, you can slide them, just be careful, like that, and install them again. And there it is. Nice soft grip here. That's very secure, I just love it. You can see we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5 bolts here. And again, you can see. Now let's cut something to see how sharp it is. Well, we have this piece of wood. That's, whoa, it's going very deep. Yeah. Be careful, this is a sharp knife, don't hurt yourself. Nice. Well, if you are cutting a wood, I'm sure paper and other things are very easy to cut it. And let's try this plastic. I'm sure it will do the job. Yeah, thumbs up, is cutting very well. Of course, this tool is made for cutting carpet, cardboard and paper, and as you can see, it's cutting the wood very easy. That means it's very sharp and it will do the job. Well guys, it cost only €5, and why not? If you need something like that, just buy it. And with all that guys, this is the end of the video. Thank you again for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like it's like, my video is your choice. Share this video, you never know who may need it. And hit the notification bell because more videos in the future are coming and you don't want to miss it. Have a nice lovely day. Bye bye.